What was that song?
I have a pen. I have an apple. Pineapple.
Do you want to learn the vocabulary for fruits in French from apple to pineapple? Then keep watching. Bonjour, bonjour! I'm Kashi and this is Let Us Learn French. Today we'll learn about fruits in French. Les fruits. Pomme. Apple. Une pomme. Des pommes. Poire. Pear. Une poire. Des poires. Orange. Orange. Une orange. An orange. Des oranges. Oranges. Mandarine. Mandarin. Une mandarine. A mandarin. Des mandarines. Mandarins. Citron. Lemon. By the way, citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons in French are called les agrumes. Agrumes. Les agrumes. Pamplemousse. Grapefruit. Un pamplemousse is a grapefruit. Des pamplemousses, grapefruits. Now let's talk about some tropical or exotic fruits. Des fruits tropicaux, des fruits exotiques. Banane, banana. Une banane. Des bananes. Mangue, mango. Une mangue. Des mangues. Ananas, pineapple. Un ananas. Now let's talk about berries. Les baies. Fraise, strawberry. Une fraise. Des fraises. Framboise, raspberry. Une framboise. Des framboises. Myrtille, blueberry. Une myrtille. Des myrtilles. Now some other fruits. Cerise, cherry. Une cerise, a cherry. Des cerises, cherries. Raisin, grapes. Un raisin, des raisins. By the way, raisin in English and raisin in French are a little bit different. So raisin is dried grapes, and grapes itself, the fruit in French, that's raisin. These are known as des faux amis, false friends. So false friends are words that are similar in English and French but have different meanings, and we have a whole video just about that. So if you haven't watched that already, make sure to watch it. I'll link it up there and in the description below. These are words that you do not want to get confused between English and French because they have very different meanings. Back to the video. Pêche, peach. Une pêche. Des pêches. Abricot, apricot. Un abricot. Des abricots. Kiwi, kiwi. Un kiwi. Des kiwis. Pastèque, watermelon. Une pastèque. Des pastèques. We can also say melon d'eau. Un melon d'eau, which means watermelon. Melon d'eau. Papaye, papaya. Papaye is papaya or pawpaw. Do people still use that word? Pawpaw? Did people ever use that word? I feel like it's not very common. Do you say papaya or pawpaw? Actually, let me know. I'd like to know that. Anyway, we say une papaye, des papayes. Goyave, guava. Une goyave, des goyaves. What is your favorite fruit? Let me know in the comments below. I really like mangoes, des mangues. What is yours? Let me know. And if your favorite fruit is not on the list, you can still write it in the comments and maybe we can do another video about even more fruits later. If you like this video and got value out of it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you get notified when we upload even more videos. Follow us on Instagram at Let Us Learn French Official, where we give you a new French word of the day every single day. If you've watched until here, thank you very much, and here's a bonus for you. Noix de coco, coconut. A coconut in French is une noix de coco. If you got value out of this video, share it with your family and friends who also want to learn French, and as a thank you, here are 2 other videos for you. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you next Sunday. Take care.